Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you are new here, then I'm really glad that you stopped by. So now in this video, if you are wondering how to add a clickable link to your Instagram post, well, let's break it down. What you can do, what you can't, and the best workaround. So here's the deal. Well, Instagram does not allow actually a clickable links in post captions. So even if you paste a full link, it will never be tappable. So let's try and let's see. So for instance, I have here, let's go to my profile page in here. So let's see one of my posts and let's try to add one. So let me just go on and find a link. So for instance, I'm going to add a YouTube link in my post. So actually Instagram does not have this built in wherein you can add a link on your post. So if ever you're going to add a link into your post, it will not be clickable, yet they'll be able to copy paste this one. But it's going to take some time, and people nowadays just want it to be a single click only. So what are the things that you can actually do? What's the solution? Well, you can use the link in bio trick. Since you will be able to add, or we have this feature wherein we can add a link in your bio, then you can just simply put here on our caption in this post, we can put check out the link in my bio, or click the link in bio to learn more. So how do we do that? We can go on and click edit profile, and here in the bio, we do not put the link here in the bio actually, but we go on here below, which is the add a link. Then we go on and click add external link, then put on the URL. So just paste it, and then let's just wait, and then you now successfully added the link into your page or your bio. So the thing that you can do in here, let's go back to this post. Since this one is not clickable, let's be honest, it's not clickable, then you can just go on and post a caption, and you can write something like check out the link in my bio, so that your audiences will be able to go to your profile, and then they will be able to click the link in there. So while you cannot attach a clickable link directly to your Instagram post caption, you have the power to guide people to your bio. So that's where the magic happens. So I hope this helped. So please, if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram content. And also please hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. And until next time, please take care, and I'll see you in the next one.